Welcome to the Katie's Garden Guide to Pruning Perennials. I'm not Katie. Our Lupin Legendary Blue Shades is now starting to fade. Now with the Lupin, if you get in there sooner, you can just take out the old flower heads. And what we would do is you say that's finished, then you cut above a join. Except that has also gone, so there's no point to that, so then you'll go down to the next one. Except that one is also finished. You would go down again. So this one, there was so little flower left, I am actually going to chop it all the way down. But if you do get in there sooner, you can keep going, as I said, and just take out the individual old bits and leave yourself the new ones. If we look here, you can see the leaves start to go glossy as well. So a lot of other perennials, you would cut them and perhaps just leave these base leaves, but the Lupin, you'd actually not better off cutting everything off and letting everything grow nice and fresh again. It feels drastic, but it is worth it. In fact, we did have two nice flowers left, but I would have to come back because they're going to go over quite soon. So in fact, I'm going to enjoy those in a vase instead. But amazingly how quickly that will grow back again.